Parents and/or guardians must complete and submit the daily screening form for each child each day before the child reports to campus. If the answer to any of the following questions is yes, your child must stay home. The screening form must be completed by 8 a.m. for each child. On each day, they are scheduled to attend school for in-person instruction. Once you complete the information, hit Next. A series of daily screening questions will be asked. Please answer them. If your answer is no to all of the questions, a message will appear at the end stating that you have selected no to all questions and your child may attend school. Please do not forget to hit the Submit button. Your responses will not be recorded unless you hit Submit. If you have multiple children, you can use the Submit Another Response link. If you happen to answer yes to any of the questions, you will be prompted with this screen. You have selected yes to at least one of the questions. Please keep your children home and contact your child's school nurse.